Today we talk about how can you find Fashion Center on your Walmart app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do, you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you come here to pharmacy, click on it. You just click on pharmacy here, come to next step here, just switch into open video, click here on vision center. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then you will find our vision center. I have nothing here, so but if you have it, can you find it? Or here, can you just here find the glasses here? Can you pay it here? So like you see here. So that's all you have to do to find it here. That's all. Thank you for in here. Can you, if you want to try on a prescription a wear here, can you click here on trade now, then add information, and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.